Hey guys, it's Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and this week we are going to do all breakfast foods. I'm going to show you a savory breakfast casserole and then a sweet breakfast casserole, and then how to make really simple Bisquick pancakes. So that's going to be my week. So today, the first one we're going to make is the savory casserole. So here's a list of ingredients you're going to need to make this.
You're gonna need 1 pound of ground breakfast sausage, 3 large eggs, 3 cups of milk, some salt, some pepper, 6 to 8 cups of French bread, ciabatta bread, 16 ounces usually, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese.
It's gonna be really simple, but this is gonna be an overnight casserole. So you wanna make it the night before, put it in the refrigerator, and then cook it in the morning. And I feel like those are the best weekend breakfast meals ever because you don't have to worry about it. It's already done. You just get up in the morning, drink your coffee, put it in the oven, and just wait for it to cook. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to brown a pound of breakfast sausage. Now I didn't have the ground breakfast sausage, but I have the links. So I'm just gonna cut the links, squeeze out all the meat, and fry it up. So let's go do that. Okay, my pan is heating up. And all I'm gonna do, like obviously it'd be much easier if you just had a pound of ground breakfast sausage, but I don't have it. So I have the links. I'm just gonna cut the little skin off, peel it out. And there you go. Just throw it on there. And then you have your pound of breakfast sausage, okay? So I'm gonna do that, and as soon as I'm done doing that, we'll brown it up and I'll show you what it looks like. I have my sausage all peeled, I guess is the word. That's all done. It's all in here. Now we're just gonna break it up and get it all fried up. Okay, while that's frying up, we're going to cut up our bread. So back over here. So this recipe usually calls for a French bread, but my local grocery store only had ciabatta, which is perfectly fine. So we're gonna take one bowl, I think it's 16 ounces, yep, of the ciabatta bread. We're gonna cut it up in little cubes. Okay, nice and soft. Just gonna cut this up, I'm gonna say cubes like this size, okay? So cut this all up, get your meat frying, and we'll be back and we're gonna throw this together. Okay, all my bread is cut up. So here it is, cut up. And I have also shredded 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, okay? Our sausage is all cooked. So we're gonna get a 9 by 13 pan. Need to spray it. Spray our pan. We're gonna add half of the bread in. Okay, just that, like that. I'm gonna take 3 cups of milk. And we're gonna crack, I need crack 3 whole eggs. Always crack them in a separate bowl just in case. This is a very quick breakfast meal. I think it'd be great to do it the night before Easter, and this would be a great Easter breakfast for your family. So add, without making a mess like I did, add the eggs to the milk and whisk those up. Make sure the yolks are all broken. Take a second here. As you can see, this is very quick and like even easier because it sits overnight and just throw it in the oven in the morning while you're getting ready and you can smell that cooking. Okay. So we are going to pour half of the mixture over this bit of bread. The purpose of this is to make sure all the bread gets the milk and egg mixture on it, so the bread will soak it all up. We don't want any dry bread. Okay, we're gonna throw in half the cheese. And your sausage. Sausage all browned up. I'm putting all of this on here because it's only a pound. You could add ham, you could add bacon. Make this your own, like I say. It's your kitchen, you do you. Okay, now add the bread, the rest of the bread on top. Half. Okay, we're gonna pour all the rest of this milk mixture. We want all the bread to be nice and coated. It smells good already. Okay, so just squish this bread down into all the mixture. Make sure all the bread has a mixture on it, and it's gonna soak it all up. Okay, and now sprinkle some cheese on top. Okay, make sure you salt and pepper the top. You need lots of salt and pepper. We're going to cover it with some tin foil. I always like to spray my tin foil so the cheese doesn't stick. So your tin foil, spray it, turn it over, and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator overnight, and then we're gonna bake it first thing in the morning. Sausage, egg, and cheese casserole is all finished. I put it in the oven at 350, covered the entire time. Took about 45 minutes, okay? Everybody's oven is different, but it's about 45 minutes. You want it nice and bubbly. You want the cheese melted. This is gonna be so good. Smells so yummy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna test it. Too early for barking dogs, I swear. Okay. This looks so good. Still piping hot. Make sure you eat this nice and hot and let it sit. Okay, I want cheese. I want bread, and I want sausage. Shh, guys, too early, it's too early. Shush, 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 shush. Okay. Just don't want to burn my mouth. I love breakfast food. So this is like the ultimate for me. It's bread, cheese, eggs, and sausage. It's so yummy. It's creamy. Some of the bread has a little bit of toast to it, not much. I think you're really gonna love this, guys. If you don't like sausage, add bacon, add ham. Make it your own. Like I've always said, it's your kitchen, you do you. So guys, I hope you try it. I hope you love it. If you love my videos, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell button so you know every single time I post a video, and give me a big fat thumbs up to let me know that you like my videos. Try this, guys. See ya, thanks.